Let f of x equals cos x. Let g of x represent f of x with an amplitude of 21, a period of 21 pi, a horizontal translation of 21, and a vertical translation of negative 21. Which of the following represents g of x? Well, sinusoidal functions are in the form a, and in this case we'll use cosine. So a cosine parentheses, b, close parentheses, x minus c, close it, plus d. A is the amplitude, simply put. B allows us to find the period, and the period is found 2 pi over whatever your period is. So I'll put big P there. C is a phase shift or a horizontal translation. So that's just kind of normal, so left or right stuff. And D is midline or vertical translation, so up, down stuff over there. So I just found out that g of x is going to have an amplitude of 21. So it's going to be 21 cosine, parentheses. B is going to be 2 pi over the period. The period is 21 pi. So B is going to be 2 pi over 21 pi, which simplifies to 2 over 21. So 2 over 21, parentheses, x minus c. Horizontal translation is regular 21. So minus 21, close it. And since we have a vertical translation of negative 21, I'm going to put minus 21. So that's going to be my equation right there. So 21 cosine 2 over 21, so not u, minus 21, answer C. 21